name and occupation.
My name is Ali Jaboor from Samatah Educational Office. I'm a supervisor of English language.
What kind of initiatives do you have in your corner?
We have, as you see on this corner, about some things about it. This corner about 12 reading strategies, as you see in front of you. Summarizing, as you see, summarizing and figuring language and identifying attitude, purpose, main idea and facts and details about reading strategies. Also understanding sequences of these strategies, reading strategies, recognizing cause and effect reading strategies, comparing and contrasting through reading strategies.
So what I understand is that all these 12 strategies are assigned for reading only.
Yes.
Strategies that helps teachers to apply reading lessons very well.
Yes, of course. As you say, these skills help the teachers to make his reading skills is in the classroom is in a good way, in easily way, and the students, of course, understand from this kind of strategies, reading strategies.
Okay, Teacher Ali, speaking generally, how do you find the visitors of English teachers for this corner?
I heard that from some visitors that the Samatah corner has a lot of information, has a lot of something new. He let the visitors, the new visitors from outside of the region, some informations, and he let him come back again for the second day to see this corner, because he has something specific. Is not find it in other corners.
Okay. At the end of this interview, Teacher Ali, I would like to thank you for your valuable time.
Of course, I thank you, my brother Khalid Jahfali, and you are a good supervisors, and everyone knows Khalid Jahfali well. And thanks you for this meeting.
Thank you for your time.
Thank you.